Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got these wood spools that we're going to turn into clocks. So hit that subscribe button and let's get this project started. Alright, so what we're thinking for these, just as a nice project here, is we've got ordered is the clock unit, the hour and the minute hands that'll fit into here. We're going to sand this piece down, get all the crud off of it. We're going to sand this piece really nicely because I think we're going to leave this as stained and as just a wood color. We'll black this rim out, and then we're going to paint this all white and then scuff it, give it a vintage look, and then we'll put the numbers on there with the scuff on it. We'll do that to both. We'll give it maybe a slightly different look for each. We'll start with putting the black in here after we clean this crud up, and then we can sand it off if we get anything on the edges here, because we'll be doing a full sand over this piece. So that's where we'll start. We'll clean this up really nice, vacuum it out, make sure it's all good. We'll black this out on both of them, and then we can start our hard sand for this. Alright, we painted the rim, and now what we're going to do is sand these pieces down. On the back, I'll just do a quick sand, get anything that's loose, get any of the dirt out of it. We'll wipe it, we'll vacuum it out, wipe it down, and then we'll work on the fronts here. As you can see, they're still pretty dirty, and well, this 80s grit sandpaper and this DeWalt sander are going to take care of that. Remember your mask. Let's get started. Alright, so we've let it dry, and now what we're going to do for us is we're going to sand it off a little bit, give it a vintage look or a farm style look. Now, this is a step that you definitely could skip if you'd like, if you want that solid look, but here in vintage we don't want that. So we're going to scuff it, and then next we'll wax it. Time to wax it. We're going to use our citrus shield paste here. Got an old sock. I'm just going to do this whole piece nicely, and then we can start putting the insert in. So the next time you see this, well, it's going to be done. Alright, here they are completed. We put the inserts in. Just need to put batteries in the back side of them, and these will be operating clocks. So from the start, it was just 2-wire spool ends. We sanded them down just to get the dirt and crumb off of them. We added the numbers. We painted them, scuffed them down, waxed it, put the insert in, and well, the end result's pretty amazing. I really like that turnout of the wood colors and such with these. So if you like this project and many others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll keep doing some pretty cool projects.